Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Law Prep Tutorial. Today we are going to talk about something that goes across every CLAT aspirant regardless of their target year. Is it mandatory to get into a coaching institute? Absolutely not, right? Why not? Is because of the fact that all of the information that is required for the common law admission test is absolutely available online, and you can go through that and you can figure it out on your own. The only problem is that it'll take you a longer time. You don't know which legit sources to look at, right? That, if you are able to take care of, you can absolutely give the common law admission test without any coaching. Yes, of course, the ones who are retaking the examination will have a slightly more advantage over the ones who are taking it for the first time, and they're trying to do it all on their own, only and only because of the fact that they need to know the paper pattern, right? And not just the syllabus. Now, how do we do that? Let's try to understand. First things first, the honest truth, कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट्स के पास कोई सीक्रेट नॉलेज नहीं होता है. कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट्स के पास जो होता है वो है सीजन्ड मेंटर्स who have seen this examination over and over again for the past 7, 8, 9, 10 years. And so obviously they do have some kind of information as to how to make sure कि कम समय पे हम ज़्यादा काम कर सकें. ठीक है? Now what coaching actually provides you is structure, material and peer comparison. But you can replicate all of that on your own. You see, not everyone requires a coaching institute to give them a structure. Not everyone needs to be told कि इस टाइम पे पढ़ना है, इस टाइम पे पेपर करना है, इस टाइम पे रेस्ट करना है. Some of you are self-driven and that's a great thing. And you can do this all on your own. But there is one part of it that I feel you should invest into, which is not because of the fact that any kind of money is coming into my pocket because of you, but I'll tell you, because since I've been coaching CLAT aspirants for the past 10 years, I can see one thing that a child who's not taking any kind of mentorship lacks is that they don't have the practice tests, they don't have any kind of mocks. You see, what happens is usually they go on Telegram and then they get, mocks of different institutes and all of that. बट यूजुअली कभी कभार वो फेक भी निकलते हैं, कुछ बहुत ही खराब मॉक्स होते हैं. खराब इन द सेंस, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू से एनीथिंग अबाउट द पीपल हु मेक दीज मॉक्स, बट आई विल से दैट खराब का मतलब ये है हाउ मच आर दे एमुलेटिंग द एक्चुअल एग्जामिनेशन, राइट? And if they are not, then that's a problem. Only and only because of the fact that child, when he or she will actually take the examination na, उनको जमीन आसमान का डिफरेंस उधर ही टाइम पे दिख जाएगा, and they will be unaware. And since it's a competitive examination and the rest of them, let's say X amount of students who have gone to a good coaching institute, who actually knows what they have to do, and they are not just like mouthpieces and no execution, right? You are competing against those kids. उनको पता है कैसा मौका आया है, उनको पता है किस तरीके से सवाल आते हैं, more or less, और उन्होंने उस तरीके से मेहनत की. So I feel where you need to direct your budget is you have to purchase one high quality test series from an institution that has some kind of authentic result base. Please don't look at billboards, right? Look at the crowd. मेजॉरिटी लोग या ज्यादा लोगों की जब रिजल्ट निकल के आता है, इसका मतलब एक सिस्टम काम कर रहा है, मतलब उनके टेस्ट, उनके मॉक्स काम कर रहे हैं. ठीक? Practice banks also you require, although I've already made a video on free resources that are required by a common law admission test aspirant. You can go and see that as well and buy those books. But definitely आपको sectionals लेने पड़ेंगे. आप सिर्फ मॉक एक हफ्ते में एक मॉक करके आपकी उतनी प्रैक्टिस नहीं होगी. आपको रोज पर रोज वो सेक्शनल्स करने हैं, एंड जैसे जैसे आपका एग्जामिनेशन पास आता है, आपके जो सेक्शनल्स है, नंबर ऑफ सेक्शनल्स, वो भी बहुत ज्यादा इंक्रीज होंगे. सो फॉर दैट ऑब्वियसली यू रिक्वायर सम काइंड ऑफ एन ऑथेंटिक बैंक, इज वेयर यू शुड direct your budget. Your non-negotiable daily routine that requires no coaching institute is reading the newspaper, at least the front page and the 4 editorials. You have to do quant and analytical reasoning every single day. Now if you are a CLAT 2028 aspirant, तो ठीक है, आप 20 से 30 की जगह 10 से 15 कर लो. लेकिन इफ यूर अ CLAT 2027 एस्पिरेंट, CLAT 2028 थोड़ा कम कर लें, CLAT 2027 थोड़ा ज्यादा कर लें. इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट. पर करना आपको जरूर पड़ेगा, क्योंकि इसमें बच्चों को डर भी लगता है और ज्यादा टाइम भी लगता है, और जहां पे भी सवाल करने में टाइम लगेगा that will eat away time from the other section. And finally, of course, 2 to 3 sectional drills. Now again, CLAT 2028 वालों को 3 sectionals लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है in a day. वो एक भी करेंगे, बहुत बढ़िया बात है. But the ones who are CLAT 2027 aspirants and doing this on their own, definitely it has to go from 2 to 3. If you are a retaker, definitely 3. But if you're still a school student doing it all on your own, a minimum of 2 has to happen every single day, right? And leveraging free digital resources like the LPT YouTube channel. It is filled with strategy videos, with any kind of study material videos. We do a daily newspaper analysis every day in the morning at 7 a.m. from Monday till Saturday, wherein we do the background of each and every news that is important from CLAT perspective, and also I try to tell you about, what are these editorials all about and how is it that they can be asked in your paper. So use these free resources, but again, only from one source, because then, there are too many sources and you'll just end up watching a lot of YouTube videos and actually not executing any of them. Fir uska koi fayda nahi hoga. And finally, that's it. That's all you have to do to ensure that you are able to overcome a lack of physical classroom. Just one last thing, जब आप संडे को मॉक देते हैं ना, तो 2 बजे से लेकर 4 बजे तक देना, बिकॉज ये ही आपका एग्जामिनेशन का टाइम है. पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस मत रखना, क्योंकि एक्चुअल एग्जामिनेशन में इन्विजिलेटर भी चीखेगी, लोग खांसी कर रहे होंगे, अपने टेबल और चेयर को शिफ्ट कर रहे होंगे, कुछ विस्पर कर रहे होंगे, कुछ लोग बात कर रहे होंगे, and maybe outside your examination center also there's a lot of blaring music or construction sound. So whenever you're trying to emulate a physical classroom, you will not keep absolute silence. You will stay on your own. You'll be isolated, sitting on your table and chair, but you should have some kind of annoying background music which emulates the actual day of the examination. और actual day of the examination अगर बहुत बढ़िया हुआ, table chair भी बहुत अच्छे हुए, तो भी you have prepared for the worst and you keep hoping for the best. And that's all that you need to do. You can absolutely do this without a coaching, but you do need some kind of authentic, legit, CLAT relevant material, practice papers, so that you're able to do justice to your preparation. And finally, one last thing is that LPT also provides free all India open mocks, and there is a periodicity to that. Keep checking the LPT YouTube as well as official website for details pertaining to the same. Mostly they are free and sometimes they are absolutely nominal costs. तो उसमें क्या होता है ना कि आपको लार्ज पूल ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स में अपना रैंक पता चल जाता है. तो and especially because you're not taking coaching, so you come to know, okay, in this large pool, this is where I stand, because then there is no other metric for you to compare it with, and then you can move ahead with your preparation. In that sense, you need to be your own mentor. You need to figure out all of your mistakes, and after figuring out your mistakes, you need to make sure that you don't repeat them. So your metric weekly should be, did my attempts go up? Did the OMR error go down? Dissect each and every wrong answer. This one you've got to do on your own. Absolutely, you'll be able to do it, but do it on your own. Don't use AI for it, right? Because it will not be able to see each and every mistake that you have made. Because आप पूरा का पूरा डाल देंगे, वो एक आध मिस्टेक दे देगा, आपको लगेगा बाकी सब सही है. ऐसा भी नहीं करना, इंडिविजुअली करना है. ये this is the most important part of your preparation. And if you're able to do all of that, I don't see why you won't be able to crack the common law admission test. Thank you very much. I'll see you again with a new video.